Hello friend, today I have Nissan Maxima 2017. Customer complaint, AC compressor stopped working. When I check, AC compressor is not working. You can see the pressure is 100 psi, but the AC compressor is not going on. We have code in the AC B257C, ambient temperature sensor problem. Where is the location ambient temperature sensor? No, I read live data. AC compressor is not working. You can see the clutch is off, not cooling. Air condition is not cooling. Select from live data in outside temperature, ambient temperature. You can see minus 30, negative 30 centigrade. If BCM see this minus negative, the BCM stop the AC compressor. I put up the jack and remove the sensor from downside. This sensor located left side, right side of the bumper. Sorry, left side. This is the left side of the bumper. This is there is location for the ambient temperature sensor or outside temperature sensor. You can see there is broke wire. This ambient temperature sensor, two wire, ground and signal wire. This wire is broke. This is the ambient temperature sensor or outside temperature sensor. This wire release the code B257C. Now I repair the wire before negative 30. No, it is positive. Everything working fine. AC compressor working no. AC compressor not working because of the wire. No, it is fine. Thank you for watching.